Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and appliances. Today, we have something truly special to share with you: the Culinary Herb Grinder Electric Spice Grinder. If you're a fan of fresh herbs and spices in your cooking, this may just be the best spice grinder on the market.
Stay tuned as we dive deep into its features and benefits. Alright, let's kick things off with an overview of this fantastic electric spice grinder.
The Culinary Herb Grinder boasts a large capacity and high rotating speed, allowing you to grind up to 120 grams of herbs or spices in just 5 to 10 seconds. And the best part?
It offers both coarse and fine grinding options, putting you in control of your spice preparations.
Now, what really sets this spice grinder apart is its versatility. It's not just for herbs and spices. You can also use it for pollen, coffee beans, and more. Say goodbye to slow grinding, low capacity, and long grinding times. With Culinary, you'll save time and effort in the kitchen, making it perfect for busy cooks. But what about ease of use? Well, this electric spice grinder features a one-button operation and a safety design that's both intuitive and secure. Just press down, and the grinder starts. Lift your hand, and it stops. You can even control the coarseness by adjusting the grinding time. Plus, the lid doubles as a switch, making it safe to use.
Now, let's talk about the build quality.
The sharp blade of this electric grinder is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and precision. The motor is designed with copper wire for longevity. And its unique blade shape allows for grinding in all 360-degree directions. With a blazing speed of 30,000 rotations per minute, this grinder gets the job done quickly. Cleaning up after use is a breeze.
Culinary includes a complimentary brush for easy stainless steel grinder maintenance. Plus, the power cord is detachable, so you can store it with ease and save space in your kitchen.
Convenience is key. Safety is always a top priority. This spice grinder comes with automatic power-off protection.
If the motor overheats, shorts, or the lid is open, the grinder will automatically shut down.
So, you can have peace of mind while using it. Now, let's see what customers are saying about this product. With an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars and over 1,300 reviews, it's clear that users are loving the Culinary Herb Grinder. Many have praised its efficiency, ease of use, and value for money. So, how much does this amazing spice grinder cost? Well, it's currently priced at just $22.69 on Amazon, making it an affordable addition to your kitchen arsenal. And if you're a Prime member, you can snag it for an even lower price of $20.42. In conclusion, the Culinary Herb Grinder Electric Spice Grinder is a game-changer for anyone who loves cooking with fresh herbs and spices.
Its speed, versatility, and user-friendly design make it a top contender in the market.
That's it for today's review, folks. If you want to take your culinary skills to the next level, don't miss out on this fantastic spice grinder.
We've included a link in the description below, so go ahead and check it out on Amazon. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from Product Critique.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.